Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 100 divided by 25 plus 25 divided by 5. This algebraic expression seems very simple, but it tricks almost everyone. 90% of people choose the wrong option. They should start with addition. They do the addition between 25 and 25 is equal to 100 divided by 50 divided by 5. Now they do the division between 50 and 5 is equal to 100 divided by 10. Now they do the division between 100 and 10. Is equal to 10. 10 is the wrong answer. Now we find the correct answer. 100 divided by 25 plus 25 divided by 5. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of. We should start with division. We do the division between 100 and 25 is equal to 4 plus 25 divided by 5. D stands for division. Now we do the division between 25 and 5. A stands for addition. Now we do the addition. We do the addition between 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 is the correct answer. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए. सब्सक्राइब टू माय चॅनल. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.